Now, step 6 talks about the hierarchy of process transparency. And before I drill into the actual process transparency part of this, I have a little bit of text up there on the left-hand side. It says, relevant information enables process blinking. Has anyone read the book Blink by Malcolm Gladwell? Some of us have. Has anyone heard of the term rapid cognition? Okay, well, you live with it every single day of your lives. Rapid cognition is the ability of human beings to take a small set of highly relevant data and make almost instantaneous judgments. And they're almost always more accurate than any type of decision-making process we can go through to actually come to a conclusion. So basically, as you go through your lives and when you see things or when you're presented with certain amounts of information, if it's a small set of highly relevant information, you know the answer. You know exactly what you need to know right at that moment. So when we think about process transparency, we can roll process data up from all the way down at the task level, all the way up through the hierarchy in the organization. But when we do so, we must aggregate and simplify to very succinct, relevant views about what those different people need to see. So, for example, a supervisor is going to need to see a different set of information to manage, to understand how their processes are working across a range of tasks than perhaps a processor who is working in a specific task. At the same time, we can take our KPIs that are driving our business, our core KPIs for our business, and we can actually break those down into elemental components many times. So for example, if we have an SLA with our customers, and we're a loan processing company, and we guarantee to our customers, we will give you an answer on your loan in 24 hours or less. That loan is going to go through a process, isn't it? Possibly several. We could break that down into elemental components and not only give people the insight of perhaps when we first receive the application, it needs to be put into the system in 1 hour or less. That might be one of our elemental components. But at the same time, we can also put the context around it. So we could say, we need to make sure we get all incoming quotes, loan applications, into the system in 1 hour or less so that we can meet our commitment to our customers of processing the applications in 24 hours or less. Now people understand, I need to do this, and this is why. Don't we all want to know why when we're asked to do something, don't we want to know why? Sure we do. And then we actually own the outcome as well. So in creating transparency, we need to use the power of rapid cognition. We need to make sure we roll data up to create process-powered transparency and take KPIs down to create personal analytics.